It blows and sweeps like a mighty storming wind. The fame of brilliant Zewdi rises from every hill and field. Have you heard it, our people, our brothers and sisters? Our shining star has departed, leaving us in sorrow. Zewdi, yes, Zewdi, a crown of beauty. Zewdi, yes, Zewdi, a woman of wisdom. Her farewell has spread its fragrance, reaching the ears of us all. Her journey to the heavens has touched us deeply, beyond words. Was there ever a measure for such wisdom in this world? You live filled with genuine knowledge and understanding. You journey to the monastery to dwell within its sacred walls, tasting its blessings and grace. You now live there forevermore. It blows and sweeps like a mighty storming wind. The fame of brilliant Zewdi rises from every hill and field. Have you heard it, our people, our brothers and sisters? Our shining star has departed, leaving us in sorrow. My Zewdi, Zewdi, your clothing carried a unique elegance. My Zewdi, Zewdi, your stature was of exceptional grace. My Zewdi, Zewdi, your smile shone with rows of perfect teeth. My Zewdi, Zewdi, your beautiful eyes sparkled without the need for adornment. Will the new generations ever inherit what you have left behind? Indeed, that is not easy, for human strength alone cannot achieve it. Great and abundant was the treasure of wisdom you passed on. May they receive your legacy and carry it across generations. May they be guided to walk the path you showed. There where you now dwell, rest peacefully, my dear. The heart of those who loved you has been overtaken by cold sorrow. Yet it will endure and remain strong, holding on to the legacy you left for all of us.